Rob, and welcome to Axel's Garage. Today we're in the garage because it's too freaking cold outside to work on anything. But I wanted to talk to you about batteries, Advance Auto, and their battery warranty system. And I had a video a year ago that seems to continually get a lot of attention and a lot of asinine comments. Here's a link to that video if you want to watch it. But I think most of the people commenting are the younger generation. I'm 47 years old, and I'm going to bet that most of the ridiculous comments that I think are ridiculous are going to be guys 30 years old and less. Because I remember when it was 20, 25 years ago, maybe, I don't know, but I remember going to buy a battery, and you went to Sears, and you got a Diehard, right? Or you went to your local mom and pop auto parts store, and you got a Delco or an Interstate battery. And when you got those batteries, they came with either a 3, 4, or 5 year warranty. And the 5 year was the big one, a 60-month. When you got the 60-month battery, you got the good battery. And I remember going to get a 60-month battery. Yeah, I'm going to get a 60-month battery. And you get that battery, and you put it in your car, and what did it last you? It lasted you like 72 freaking months. It was warranted for 60 months. And what they meant by that was that if it goes at any time during that 60 months, they'll prorate it based on the 60 months, and they'll give you that credit towards the purchase of a new battery. That's how the prorated warranty works. And then they even came out with 1 year free replacement, 2 year free replacement, 3 year even free replacement. And then they even came out, and I bought one for my Chevelle, a 72-month battery. It was a truck and SUV Diehard 72-month warranty. I bought it. It was expensive. Bought it, put it in my Chevelle, which only gets used in the spring, summer, and fall. Gets stored in the winter. I never put a battery tender on it. And that 72-month battery lasted me 10 freaking years. Sears Diehard. But now, fast forward 20, 25 years, and you can't get a battery with a warranty anymore. You get like a 1 year or maybe a 2 year just straight out replacement warranty. But there's no more prorated warranty for 60 months or even 72 months. So, however long it was now, I go to Advance Auto and I buy a battery. And that battery, they still had those 60-month warranties, but batteries don't last anymore. They didn't last. And when I bought the battery, it had a 60-month prorated warranty. I got the Gold Series or whatever the top series was, Autocraft or whoever Advance sells. It was Advance. It's like Autocraft or something like that. I think AutoZone is Duralast or some shit like that. All the same stuff. I think they're all made by the same people probably. Anyway, when I bought it, it had a 60-month prorated warranty. Bought it, put it in my truck, and drove around for a few years. During the time of my ownership, they stopped with the 60-month warranty, and apparently everybody stopped. So with all the increase in technology, battery warranties have gone to shit. Nobody will stand behind their battery anymore. I don't know why. Did the things they put in a battery get worse? How did they get worse? If anything, it should be getting better. Instead, it's getting worse. So what happened? Well, the battery went. And yes, I didn't have a receipt. Yes, I did not. I lost my receipt. My mistake. I usually put my battery receipts in the glove compartment, in the owner's manual, or in my little envelope with my insurance card and my registration card. This way I have it, and I didn't, or I did, and then I cleaned the car out. Well, who knows what happened? I lost the receipt. My mistake. But I go there with their battery. It's dated. Their battery's dated. So now they know I bought the battery when they had a warranty. Now they don't have a warranty anymore, so they don't want a warranty, but no, we don't have batteries with warranties. Well, I know you don't now, but when I bought it, it had a warranty. And the guy told me, he goes, well, listen, if you had your receipt, I could probably do something. And he was right. If he had the receipt, he could probably do something. That was the second store I went to, I think. The first store didn't want to know shit. I wasn't looking for a free, oh, this guy's just scamming for a free battery. That's the comments, right, on the old video from a year ago. Oh, guy's just scamming for a free battery. Did you maintain your battery? Did you check the electrolyte? Did you put a charger on? Yeah, come on, it's a daily driver car. Who does that shit on a car they drive every day? Nobody. Nobody. And batteries used to last the 60 months, or even longer than the 60 months. You used to buy a car and it had the battery in it. I bought a new GM car, factory Delco battery, lasted me like 8 years. And it should only last, I think the factory batteries back then were like 4-year batteries. It lasted me 8 years. Now a battery never lasts its warranty period if you can find one with a warranty, but you can't. So let me go back to Advance. So anyway, everybody's bitching up a storm that I'm trying to get a free battery. No, I just want the warranty that I paid for. I bought a battery and I paid a little bit more for a certain series battery because it had a freaking 60-month warranty. That's why I bought the battery. Yes, I lost the receipt. My mistake. Am I entitled to rant about it? You bet your ass I'm entitled to rant about it. Why? Because it's a date on the battery. The battery says AutoZone, or not AutoZone, Advance Auto. I keep getting them confused. Advance Auto, their Autocraft battery. And I just wanted the warranty that I paid for. I understand I lost the receipt, and I was hoping that they would look it up in their computer system, but apparently their computer systems don't talk from store to store. I don't know which store I bought it in, but they don't talk, so they couldn't verify my purchase. I think now they talk. It's a year later, and I think they're talking now, the computer systems together, because I went to one store and they pulled me up at another store. Anyway, I think things are a little better as far as their communications. But I'm talking about these batteries. I'm not trying to get a free battery. I want a battery with a warranty. Why can't you buy a battery? Even you go to Diehard now, go to Sears, walk into Sears and they got shit batteries again. No warranty, their 60-month warranty is gone. That great 72-month battery, you can't touch it. So what have I been doing? I've been buying the cheapest freaking battery because none of them last anyway. You buy a really good one and it doesn't last. I went and bought an Interstate for the Chevelle. I recently had to get one on the Chevelle. It was probably last spring. I got an Interstate. That thing goes just as much. It doesn't last as long. You know, the Chevelle sits a lot. It's got a lot of downtime. Didn't have a trickle charger on it, and it went with that Sears battery. Man, it was a truck and SUV, Diehard Gold, 72-month. And that thing, I didn't put a trickle charger on it. I'd park it after Thanksgiving and not take that car out again till Easter. And it would start up every freaking time. Start up. Nothing changed with it except for the battery, and now the battery's dead in a month. And I got to put a trickle charger on it. So now I'm putting a trickle charger on it because I want this Interstate battery that I paid a boatload of money for that's got pretty much no warranty. I want it to last. So I'm putting a trickle charger on it. All right? But your daily drivers, you shouldn't. You should be able to get a 60-month freaking battery, and you can't. It's ridiculous. Battery technology sucks. These local the mom and pop auto parts stores used to sell, you know, the Interstate, the Delco batteries. You used to get a warranty. Can't get them anymore. You go to the big box stores and you get a shitty product. It's just, I don't understand why everything else has gotten so good. You get lifetime brake pads and they last forever. And when they go bad, you bring it back and guess what? You get another set of brake pads. But usually you never have to bring them back because you spend the extra money on the lifetime pads and they really do last a long time. Even with your wife driving, they last a long time, which is just incredible to begin with. Why is battery technology so shitty? How did batteries get shittier in 2018? Like, things get better. Video cameras are better. My tools are better. All my electronic shit's better. Phones, computers, all that shit. Batteries suck, really? They got people with solar panels and backup batteries running their whole house on batteries during a storm. The whole house they're running. But I can't get a battery to last in my car more than 3 years? That's bullshit. And they're expensive. The price has gone up considerably and the warranty's gone down. It just sucks. So, no, I'm not trying to scam a free battery, assholes. Stupid comments. Oh, guy, trying to scam a free... No, I'm not. I just want a quality freaking product and I want a warranty. Shut up. You see, look. Technology. They get me no matter where I go. I hide in the garage and they're still calling me. Technology. Make the freaking batteries last longer. That's all. That's all. It's just frustrating. If you're frustrated, comment below. If you're a young kid that doesn't understand what a quality product is, you know, make your asinine comments, go right ahead. But if you're an older guy or a middle-of-the-road guy like me that remembers when people took pride in their shit and made a quality product and stood behind a quality product, Give me some support. Give me some love. Come on. That's it today from Axel's Garage. As always, if you like this rant crazy video because I'm out of my mind over these bullshit comments, give me a thumbs up. And if you like what we're doing here at Axel's Garage, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our new channel, Axel's Kitchen, for all you foodies out there. As always, thanks for watching.